Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Eclipse and a Java project. Now create the Maven structure. Right-click the project, choose Configure Right Arrow Convert to Maven Project, or New Right Arrow Other Right Arrow Maven POM. This generates a Pom.xml scaffold you will edit. Once done, fill Group ID and Artifact ID to identify the project and choose a version. Make sure to select the correct packaging type, jar or war, because Maven uses that to assemble your build. Open the generated Pom.xml in the Eclipse editor and switch to the Pom.xml text view. You will directly add dependencies and configuration. Add dependencies with Group ID, Artifact ID, and version so Maven can fetch libraries. Then set properties for Maven, compiler, source, and Maven, compiler, target to control the Java level. Finally, configure necessary plugins, for example Maven compiler plugin for compilation and Surefire for tests. Because plugins define build. After editing, save and right-click the project to run Maven right arrow update project so Eclipse downloads dependencies and refreshes class path. Build the project to verify compilation and run tests. If issues arise, check the dependency hierarchy or run MVN dependency tree to find conflicts. Make sure your settings, XML and proxy configuration allow access to Maven's central, because network blocks often prevent dependency downloads. If a plugin or dependency version causes errors, adjust versions and update again until the build succeeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.